Salutations, guardians of virtual treasures in the realm of uncertainty. I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys for our crypto glossary series. You've heard the word tokenomics thrown around, but what the heck does it really mean? And why should you care? Well, let me break it down for you. Bull style, quick, smart, and with a side of sass. As always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for education and entertainment purposes. Alright, let's start with the definition. And guys, tokenomics sounds super crazy and complicated, but really, it's just a fancy word for how a crypto token works and makes sense, or doesn't. Think of it as the DNA of a cryptocurrency. If a coin's tokenomics are trash, it's like putting a bull in a china shop. Chaos everywhere, and no gains for you. But which metrics actually matter? First up, always check the max supply and the circulating supply. Max supply refers to the total number of coins or tokens a cryptocurrency can ever have in existence. Bitcoin, for example, has a max supply of 21 million coins, meaning no more than 21 million Bitcoins can ever be created. That's what makes Bitcoin so valuable. Limited supply equals scarcity, and scarcity equals value. Simple math, my crypto comrades. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin, feel free to check out this video. Besides max supply, circulating supply is also important. Unlike max supply, circulating supply refers to how many of the coins are out in the wild right now. Always check both numbers. Now, let's talk about utility. A token without utility is like a bull with no horns. What's the point? A good token should do something. If the token's only purpose is hype, get out of there. That might be a rug pull. Trust me, I've seen it all. Here's a big one. Who owns the tokens? If the team and early investors hold like 50% of the supply, guess what? You're probably the exit liquidity. They'll dump faster than you can say bull run. My pro tip, look for fair launches and projects with transparent token distribution. And always ask, how much skin does the team have in the game? The bigger the community base, the better. Inflation, bad. Deflation, good. We're not here for coins that print faster than a central bank. That's fiat territory. In crypto terms, it means offering staking rewards that are too high can cause inflation. A deflationary model, like Bitcoin's halving, creates scarcity over time. Scarcity drives demand, and demand drives profits. Boom. Simple economics. Here's a golden nugget for you. Vesting periods. If the team's tokens are locked up for a couple of years, that's a good sign. It means they're in it for the long haul, not just a quick pump and dump. So here's the deal. If you want to pick a winning coin, don't just chase the hype. Analyze the tokenomics like a true bull. Scarcity, utility, distribution, and the team's commitment. Remember, bad tokenomics kill good projects faster than FUD on a meme coin. And don't be that person crying over a rug pull because you didn't check the basics. You're better than that. That's your crash course in tokenomics, brought to you by yours truly. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, because this bull's got more wisdom to share. And hey, do your own research, people. I'm here to guide you, not babysit. Let's ride this bull run together. 420, you're BULLionaire, triumphant, twisted, tenacious, topsy-turvy.